Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick helpful video for any of you having a Mercedes C-Class generation W205. We're talking about this generation C-Class here. Guys, if you have one of those, let me tell you, that will be super helpful video today that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. We're going to talk where are the pre-fuse boxes. Most people know that they may have up to 4 different fuse boxes in that car, but you actually have 2 hidden pre-fuse boxes that contain very important fuses. If one of those fuses just goes bad, your C-Class Mercedes may not even start or may act dead as well. So stay with us, we'll cover that. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Talking about the pre-fuse boxes, let's explain that now, guys. Let's come here now. Let me show you. We have that generation W204 that used to have one pre-fuse box under the engine, right? Well, in W205 you have 2 of them, and let's talk about now for a second. And you have more fuse boxes in that car as well. We're gonna show you some of them. For instance, guys, okay, you have a fuse box on the driver's side here. If you remove that cover, okay, you pry it open, behind it you have a fuse box. Now on the passenger side, on the A pillar here in the footwell compartment on the right side, you remove one cover, and underneath you have another fuse box. By the way, look at those special fuses, guys. Always keep some spare ones because those could be really hard to find. Now I want to show you something else, guys. In the engine, right here under that cover, you have one twisty thing right here, okay, and you have one in the back. You untwist them, pull the cover up. Underneath you have a fuse box. It has 2 screws with Torx 20. That's the main engine fuse box there. But if you still come under the hood, guys, right here, you come to the passenger side, you see where that battery symbol is. Open that cover, and underneath you're going to find your positive jump starter terminal that looks like this one. That jump starter terminal underneath, this is the engine pre-fuse box. That's the first one, guys. That's the back side. Inside you're going to have different fuses, very important fuses for alternators, starters, engine computers, fuses that can be, guys, practically if one of them goes bad, your car may be not responsive. Now, you have another pre-fuse box, but before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses, okay, let me show you now, without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. You have another regular fuse box if you leave the carpet liner in the trunk. Underneath, on the right side, you have a piece of carpet that you can lift as well, and you will find that fuse box that will look like this one. But guys, look at that dash now here. If you remove the glove box, you come behind the glove box towards more on the left side, there towards the firewall. behind the glove box, you're going to have the interior prefuse box, which is super important. It has some BCM fuses as well. For the front SAM control module, SAM module. If you open it, okay, look at those prefuse boxes. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One big one. 12 fuses, guys. I think this is a 300 fuse. 12 fuses, and all of those are humongous. So you can imagine how special those fuses are now. Now, guys, for any of you needing help with the fuses, we're going to be making special videos on our YouTube channel about every single fuse in that Mercedes. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuel injector fuse or fuel pump, ignition coil, anything like that, engine, computer. All you have to do, come to the channel, search for it. 1-2 minutes later, you watch the video, you replace the fuse, you're back on the road, guys. We make those videos to save you as much money as we can. Subscribe to the channel, we'll have very helpful information. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those prefuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.